Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Pokémon X and Y on PC. First, understand that playing these games on a computer requires emulation, which simulates the original console. You'll need a reasonably powerful PC to ensure smooth performance and a good gaming experience. The process involves a few key steps, starting with selecting the right software. The primary tool for this is an emulator, and Citra is widely recognized as the best option for Nintendo 3DS games. Head to their official website to download the most current version. Installation is straightforward. Just follow the prompts. Before you begin, quickly check that your computer's specifications meet Citra's minimum requirements for optimal performance. Next, you'll need the game files. It's crucial to legally dump your own Pokémon X or Y cartridge to obtain the ROM file. Once you have it, place the file in a convenient folder on your PC. Open Citra and navigate through its settings. You can fine-tune graphics, audio, and controller inputs to enhance your gameplay experience. With everything set up, you're ready to play. Simply open Citra, load your Pokémon X or Y game, and start your adventure. You might even notice some visual enhancements. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Online forums and communities are excellent resources for troubleshooting. Remember to keep your emulator updated for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.